Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the BoxyCharm's new add-on feature, and there are just so many items that I'm not going to name every one of them off. I'm just going to start putting them on the screen for you guys to see. Some of them have prices, and then you'll remember the first one, I didn't see that on there, but the Benefit Pore Primer or No Problem Primer. And then you know this is their new add-on edition. You get up to 70% off of makeup, skincare, hair products, lifestyle, and so much more, guys. This is something new, and it's going to be launching this July. And of course, as soon as they give the exact date and time, I will keep you guys updated on this. There is going to be free shipping on anything $25 and up. There is going to be a limit of 2 items, so you can't get like 3 of one item. You can only get 2 of whatever you're wanting. And then also it's going to be shipping separately from your subscription box, so it's not going to come with your BoxyCharm or your Boxyluxe box. It's going to be separate. And if you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, I will link them below if you want to check them out. It is a monthly subscription box for $21 a month. You will get 5 full-sized items in your box worth over $100. And then they do have the upgraded edition. It is Boxyluxe, and that is for a current charmer. So if you're already getting BoxyCharm, you can upgrade to Boxyluxe. This is going to come every 3 months, and this is going to have over double what BoxyCharm has in it. And these items are going to be valued at worth over $300. So it's a really good subscription box. And again, if you want to check them out, I will link them below. So guys, this is the spoilers for them. So I will link all BoxyCharm spoilers down below. We do have some spoilers for the July box. Be sure to go and check that video out. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one tiny little favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.